Hey, this is Brandon with Coastal Woodworking and Concrete Design, and today we're going to be building a new addition to what is turning out to be the ultimate miter station. If you've been following our channel for any time, you will have seen a video we posted a couple of weeks ago when we added our drill charging cabinet to the miter station. And if you haven't, I'll post the link at the top right hand corner of the video now so you can go watch it after this one. Today we're adding a shelving cabinet to store some things because, well, shit's getting crowded around here.
There's no room up here!
So what we're doing here is, like in the last one, we're putting the back of the station together first. And in order to put it up, we need to have supports in the back so it doesn't tip backwards after setting it up. Now that we have the back built, we need an exact replica of it for the front so we're able to make the shelves. So what I'm doing is, well, I'm making a box, of course.
What's in the box?
Now, if you haven't noticed, it appears we have jumped way ahead in the video. And we did, because for some reason, after recording almost an hour of footage, it just disappeared. Like, completely disappeared. Like, there was a blank spot on the card for an hour and 19 minutes with no footage.
Do it live! Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
So, unfortunately, I don't get to show you how we built the shelves, but for some reason I feel pretty confident that most of you watching this know the basics of cutting 2x4s and screwing them together to form shelves. Moving on. As you can see, we went ahead and got the TV up and started hanging trim. We again used some scrap poplar that we had in the shop like last time to get this done. And now it's time to poly. And yes, I realize I didn't put my mask on now that I'm editing this. I'm sure there's someone out there just dying to blast me in the comments. Please, fire away. And there you have it, the new addition to the Ultimate Miter Station. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel to see our next project on this station because, yes, we still need more storage and, of course, more cool tools. So, yeah, see you in the next one.